ito naman, panoorin naman natin ang International Film Fest sa isang mall sa Pasay. Lahat ng yan sa ASEAN TV.
Ang latest trend sa global film market. Iyan ang tampok sa 3rd International Expo o IFX nitong Hunyo sa Pasay City, na pinangunahan ng Film Development Council of the Philippines. Ang IFX na siyang isa sa mga nangunang film expos and film market sa Southeast Asia ay dinaluhan ng mga prominenteng personalidad sa larangan ng paggawa ng pelikula.
IFX is a yearly film market exposition. These are equipments, software and hardware. Some of the distribution companies are here, and the various the various companies that are involved in audiovisual industry. If you notice that we have also the ASEAN booths, you know, all the 10 here. And at the same time, there is also in conjunction to this, there's our film festival and also the International Film Conference, where we have invited high-level speakers that will talk about the various film industries in different parts of the world. And I think as you see that the Philippines is really leading in a lot of ways, particularly the service providers as for equipments, for instance.
Kalahok din sa nasabing expo ang mga pelikulang likha ng mga bansang kasapi sa ASEAN tulad ng Lao PDR at Cambodia.
A lot of films according to our country. So in the film world, we have so very young compared with the Philippines. So in 1 year we have the production only few film. Especially the film is not about just only about love, and also some landscape of our country. Especially we want to show what we have like a potential. Like we have locations for tourists, something like that. If we try to promote production, we try to promote at the same time promote tourism.
In the film incentive, we cannot say incentive, but it's like the kind of incentive that government provide to the filmmaker, especially for the foreign filmmaker to sit in Cambodia. Like we tax all the equipment or the salary for the foreign film maker. So this kind of incentive that government provide, and mostly we provide more freely for the shooting location that belong to our government.
As we approach the ASEAN integration this year, we discuss various issues like distribution, co-production, and other things, regulations, you know, that can benefit the region.
Ang IFX ay isang tagpo kung saan ang local and international filmmakers ay nabibigyan ng kataong makahalubilo ang isa't isa, makapagpalitan ng ideya, at mapag-usapan ang ilang aspeto na magpapaunlad sa industriya ng paglikha ng mga dekalibreng pelikula.
Alam mo, pag napapanahon yan, misala sa ASEAN integration. Yes.